What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that are capable of performing tasks traditionally associated with human intelligence, such as making predictions, identifying objects, interpreting speech, and generating natural language. AI systems learn how to do so by processing massive amounts of data and looking for patterns to model in their own decision-making. In many cases, humans will supervise an AI's learning process, reinforcing good decisions and discouraging bad ones. But some AI systems are designed to learn without supervision. Uses of AI: 1. Healthcare, disease diagnosis, medical imaging analysis, drug discovery. 2. Finance, fraud detection, algorithmic trading. 3. Retail, personalized recommendations, customer service. 4. Entertainment, content recommendation, for example, Netflix, Spotify. Video game development. 5. Education, personalized learning, educational content creation. 6. Customer service, chatbots and virtual assistants, sentiment analysis. 7. Security, threat detection, surveillance systems. 8. Agriculture, precision farming, crop monitoring.